On your Nintendo Switch, you can change the sound between mono, stereo and also surround. To do that, we need to go down to where it says System Settings and press A. And we need to go all the way down to TV Output, press A or move across. And then if you go to the bottom here, you will see there's something that says TV Sound. Press A. And we have Surround. It says here, a 5.1 channel linear PCM compatible device is required to use surround sound. If your console is not connected to a compatible device, some sounds may not play. Would you like to enable surround sound? Well, I haven't got surround sound, but just for the purpose of the video, let's enable it. And now we're going to test. It's going to play 6 sounds. That's 1, 2, but I can't hear the 3rd, the 4th, the 5th, or the 6th because I haven't got surround sound. So that's interesting. Now let's go back to here. Go to mono, that's simple, and if I go to stereo, that's simple. If you go to automatic, it's going to let you test it and you'll be able to hear the 6 sounds coming out of the speakers. Again, I've just got stereo here, so it should pick that up, so it should play 6 sounds out of my 2 speakers, 1 on each side for each sound. Ready? 1, that one, that one, that one, that one, that one. So I could definitely hear the sounds coming out of the left and right of the speaker. So in my instance, you could leave it on automatic. I'm just going to leave it on stereo. So that's how to change the TV sound on your Nintendo Switch. Thanks for watching.